Hello everyone, Lego4366 here today, and today I'm reviewing the Canon EOS D4000, I believe it is, and so I've already undid all the tape to make things go more smoothly. So it comes with a bunch of tripods and stuff, and a case and all kinds of accessories. So I got it for Black Friday, and I've just been so busy, I've been waiting around to review it, to unbox it. So here's this tripod we got. Very cool. And those just come out, but I'm just going to set that there. Very good and steady, because unlike this one, which will be so much better, because this one is not steady. Then we have this one, which is like a little selfie stick one. And then here we have the lenses. I think it's 15mm too, so. So there's that. Very cool. Yep. No, it's not 15mm, but oh well. Okay, we're gonna open the box to make things go better. And so just open it up from see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the camera. There we go. Very cool. Very nice, very nice. Should I go ahead and insert it in there? Don't really know what I'm doing, but I can try. Okay, I'm probably going to end up breaking it if I don't learn what I'm doing first. Okay, here's the strap. Disc, memory card, instructions, all the languages it comes in. Okay, and this is for the... This is great because you don't have to you can just charge this, and so you don't have to use batteries, you just charge this, so that's great. So what you do is you just put it inside here and have it charge. How does it go? Like this way, I think. There you go. So like that. You just plug this in the wall. So there you go. So that looks like there's some more. Oh, this is like a mini tripod and cleaning to clean the lenses. Screen protectors and cotton swabs. Little frame for the lenses. And this is filters. Very cool. And USB card reader. And another tripod. Open it up. So there you go. I'm not really sure what that is, or what that is, but yeah. Not sure what that is either. Oh, and a wipe. Very cool. So yeah, here's the everything. Gadget bag. Very nice, very cool. It's adjustable and everything. Well, there you go. Very cool. You can put the camera in here. You can put the lenses in here. And everything you need. So yeah. So that's what it comes with. All of that. And all of this. So yeah. Got on Black Friday for like $539, I think. I don't know. I can put the real price in the description once I look it up. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.